you're so cute.
Oh.
Because if I know she's not going to ask,
These
I'm
sweatpants.
because
I'm wearing these
I know you
sweatpants.
need it. You know. Granted, yeah. And then Michelle had me done because I was me and Michelle was on good terms, but I was gonna blow a bag on her baby shower. Like I was gonna spend like $500, and Michelle was like, "She was like, why did you spend that money on me?" I'm like, "You're not the one having a baby." Yeah, my sister even.
That's how I go to work and I come home sometimes. I don't think you've ever wrote this up, but it's pretty cool.
How's it? Because now I'm analyzing everything I want.
But how are we gonna tell them?
We brought that and we can find another one when we were going down the hill if your hand gets cold. Alright, let it go. Ooh, and then if your hand gets cold, you can put it in your pocket. Your eyes? Oh, the snow is coming on your eyes? Real cold inside of my body. I never felt that before. I still remember that. I was like 7 years old.
What, 7 years old when you first came to this country?
I came here like in a winter. I think I would like to say it was my first time to New York. And I just remember I took a breath in. I feel it was so damn cold. I had this little gray coat with like furry.
That is a big stick.
Oh, this is, you want to carry this stick? Is that what you say? Want this one?
Oh wait, no, it's okay. Let's keep it moving, guys. So let's hold it. Let's hold hands.
Yeah, the long glasses is 15, and the short ones is 12. Yeah. But I know you can cat eye. Yeah. 12.
It's a little though, but usually it's up the entire hill. So tomorrow morning when we wake up, we're gonna find that. Oh man, somebody lost their glove here. Look, to my makeup box.
Oh, what did you say, honey? Same here. You know, since they sent me that picture, let me send them our picture.
Yeah, this is us. Say this is our current
Yeah,
situation.
say peace. Say peace? I'm gonna send it back to them.
This is not California. We need the sunglasses and baseball cap. It's coming to us. It's coming to us.
What,
It
the
is
bus?
coming to us, sweetie.
We're gonna get on it.
Yeah. To go down into the subway now.
Going into the subway jet.
Subway, welcome to New York City.
Over here wearing jeans.
Jeans, crazy. Watch where you're going, Jet. Focus.
Today. Alright, do we got side on both sides or no?
Nope, not on that side. This is sick though. Elevator right here to the left.
No, it was just from one in First Street to
Alright, it's Melissa. And then you flip
Learning
it
how to
over.
work his thing.
She know how to work my thing. And then this is something that they didn't have when we were living in New York, but now they have it. This is what you know. It's kind of lets you know when the train is coming. So you should take this train every day. Fuck, for my whole life.
I know he's a performative. I know.
I haven't
No, I don't take this train. I don't take that.
taken this train in mad
What
long.
happened now? But you gotta talk to us because we don't understand. I don't understand when you just look when I
Local train. The next stop is 125th Street.
Stand clear of the closing
I remember
doors,
taking a
please.
train all the way to Coney Island once. I was like, where am I going to another state right now? This is insane. I took it to me second. This is cute.
Look at that beautiful smile. Museum of Natural History. On the way to the Museum of Natural History, they have these kind of sketched in. Museum of Natural History. That is sick. God, all the little things that I couldn't wait to see coming back here. Let's go. Now,
Oh no.
Jet,
I'll get the front, you get the back.
you sure?
Yes.
All right.
Mark.
Wait for Daddy. Whoa. This is crazy. Which way you want to walk? Wait, watch out for them. All right, let's walk this way. What? Holy crap. Jet.
Are you serious? Is that what it sounds like? Very nice. Look at that.
That's the sun, Mom. That's how the sun sounds.
It sounds interesting. Wow. But look, it's glass. You don't want to do the glass elevator? No, I didn't. Okay.
Ice Age animals right here. Sag moose, the steppe bison, and the woolly mammoth.
This is so cute. I took a picture of your mom and Jet.
I just love how nice they have these. The bison. The Alaskan brown bear right here. And these are real size. Holy. Jack, can you imagine? Jack, can you imagine this?
This is a big ass thing.
Yeah, he was cool. I remember before.
Chalonagran. That's a little village. So here they have food and drink, right? They have fruits. The kid is eating the fruits.
I know.
The woman's with no shirt.
Look like Legos over here.
These are the
Alright, bye.
That's cool. We used to be in the center.
This ain't let me win.
Jet to the left. Jet. Let's see how much it is.
But I think we would have had to pay for the gallery, like,
Maybe.
I'm feeling bad we didn't go see Esme. The snow's not sticking, but it made it sound like it would. Sophia said not to worry.
Yeah, we'll go in a little bit if you want to.
I think what it is you guys have to just try and come at least one more time.
Oh. Jet, say excuse me. Sorry. Jet, you want to touch the beehive? Yeah.
alright, so.
You want to step in or you want to stay on the outside?
This is sick.
Babe, we're gonna sit at this end.
Sophie, also, you can put them right here
All right.
in the chair if you want to. You want to see, yeah? No, the drinks are here. I already.
81st Street.
I believe I like the blue tang. I think that's what I'm gonna have.
What else have you had from there? Like
They have good ones. They have this nice one, Jade Lantern, because it has matcha in it.
It's good. You tried it?
No,
They took one matcha.
I like sweet drinks. You already know.
Babe, maybe when Aliana comes, you can sit by your mom and she can sit by
And then
me.
we'll switch.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna get either
Hold on, baby.
Asian
Okay.
plum
That
or
they
I'm
look
gonna
good.
get a sour east.
Hold on.
Southeast.
No, rum chata.
What do you call these? Scallion pancakes?
That's your plate.
No, you have to do your
That's your
thing.
plate.
I know Jet will do like, you know, a noodles of some sort or like a fried rice.
Okay, let's do that. We'll do like a fried rice. They have.
Oh, you're so cute. I would like to get just some ice cream. You guys from Boston, right?
Pass me.
Are we gonna take home the food?
Would you like one more glass for the...
You guys can.
Maybe when you get a...
Yeah.
It tastes mine?
It's sweet.
It's sweet. It's too sweet.
Yeah, she said it tastes like
No, it's good. Huh?
You should let her off.
Well, rather than being stuck here. I'll save my drink on so we can party like it's 19. You know?
Is that the M2? So we're going on that? Oh, okay. Yeah. Yes or no? Oh, yeah. Oh, snap.
You got me twice! Alright, Bubbles. And then you get to pick a nice window seat and you're going to just enjoy it.
Riverdale. A fare is required to ride.
We're hanging out. Me and my boy.
Nice comfy seats.
The best thing